Hello. Today, let's make a TENS session on a foot muscle stimulator device here. TENS. This is a transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation process. This is a technique, TENS, that uses electrical current to relieve pain by sending small, low-voltage electrical pulses to specific nerves through the electrodes placed on the skin. It is able to alter the way neurons are going to send the signals, stimulating the production of endorphins, which are the natural painkillers, and effectively blocking the transmission of the pain signals to the brain. TENS technique is widely used to relieve nerve, muscle, or joint pain, which is often chronic and takes many forms, including inflammatory arthritis, back pain, contractions during the foot pain, or post-operations pain too. To make this happen, of course, we should take care because we are not, it's really important, we do not use the body pads on our head, face, neck, or chest because there's a chance of serious health problems. And of course, the body pads can be on the chest or props with your heart. Okay. For example, you can place them on the arm, thigh, knee, back of shoulders, upper back, lower back, and so on. Okay. So place these two electrodes on your body. Let a little bit space between them, and then of course we can use that. The easy peasy application is there, for example, on the arm. There are muscles. Maybe you have a muscle pain on the arm level, and you place these two electrodes there. Then you go and switch on the device, and of course you can then choose between the strength level according to your pain level, of course, because it is a little bit medium or hard or super hard and something else, but it will help you. It will help you, and you can stay like that for 30 minutes, no problem for your body, I think. And after this, of course, this workout is done or this session is done, you can remove the pads out of your body. And of course, you can reuse the electrodes up to 30 times. They are washable, no problem for it, and so on. Okay, and then of course you can go to the next session at the next day, for example, and make a good job with that. Hey, yeah, that's really cool and easy operation. The pads itself are made with such an glue, a little bit glue. It's a silicone glue like, and this you can place wonderful on your skin, and no problem with skin and additional hairs on it. It will be not hurt you if you remove that. Yeah, I tried this really great, and then you can use the TNNS workout or the sessions as you need it, and after this job is done, you can remove the pads gently from your skin. Of course, there are hairs, but the hairs will not get damaged to your skin or something else. No problem for it. As you can see, it's really easy peasy, but it will be released in a good feeling on your body. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.